Okay, y'all, new vlog. Hello, hi. What's today, y'all?
She told me hello, hi.
Hush. What's today? I ain't got my watch. Fuck, I left
It's
on
the
it.
15th.
And I am here with my brother and Victor. Hi.
Yeah. You on Android?
Victor! Don't
Damn,
even.
She on Android.
That's why she rocking.
That's tough.
Don't even. They know what I'm on.
This video gonna come out blurry.
No, the fuck it's not.
I'm like, uh-oh, what's that?
You must have never watched my vlogs before. Victor. First of all, I have a vlogging camera.
Yeah, not
Second of all, I forgot it out. I forgot it.
13 megapixels, huh?
I forgot it at home. Ooh, y'all, he's trying to talk about my Android. Don't do that.
Wicked, bro.
Which shoe should I wear? Like I'm gonna wear the boot.
Let's see. Yeah, the boot. But then again, like that's a lot of black. But you can't go wrong.
No, you can't go wrong.
Boo, boo, boo.
Yeah, I like the boots. Look at my brother, y'all. He think he cute. What are you doing? You wearing a hat too?
I might.
Let's see.
All my niggas gangbang. Fuck the other side. Just bought a chopper 9 fingers.
I don't like the hat.
Flyest nigga in it. I get bitches butterfly. You a street nigga, boy. Your ass don't even come outside.
I definitely don't wear hats at all.
Put this up. We gonna put a little bun?
I might.
Yeah.
I don't wear hats.
Yeah, put a little bun.
I gotta find the damn I might got one in my car. A ponytail.
A ponytail holder?
Yeah.
You need one? Okay, I got one. Oh wait, it's a scrunchie. You probably don't want that. They probably think you got a girlfriend.
I got one. Fuck these hoes. You know what I'm saying? Fuck these hoes.
Don't do that. Be nice.
I'm like that. My mama.
You know what happens when you assume?
Mm.
You make an ass out of you and me.
Okay.
That's how you spell assume.
Okay.
A-S-S.
You want to drink brown liquor?
Nah, I be drinking tequila. You feel me? That tequila. That la 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 tequila.
You don't drink for real. You don't drink for real. You're more of a smoker. You know that.
I'm telling the world that. I'm gonna have a
They know your girl, drink her sister. You know, big sister shit.
I ain't got no sponsorship. This what we fucking with. You know what I'm saying? It look good though. The camera look, you know. Too bad.
Yeah, Victor talking shit.
Well, it look too bad.
I wish I had my camera, but it's
I don't
straight.
like nobody.
I'm kind of scared. What is that again? Y'all, look at this. That's a lot, Anthony.
He literally just, I took mine, he just took his.
Victor, you did not drink.
He just drank his. I drank mine before him.
I did not see you pick up a cup.
My cup right there.
Hello, you guys. I know. Where the fuck have I been? Yeah. So I just uploaded a new video. If you want to go check it out, go check it out. It's like a short little kind of chatty video. I look tired, but I'm really on my way out of the door because my brother's here, if you didn't know. I talked about it in my last vlog. Yeah, he's here for the next 2 days. I only got to hang out with him once. So tonight will for real be my last night to hang out with my brother, and I'm kind of upset about it. But you know what? It's okay. It's cool. Yeah, you guys. So tonight I am dressed up. It is 10 o'clock and we are going to the club. I just want to like dress up and feel pretty and be pretty, and like I feel like I haven't like dressed up for real like in a few days. So yeah, I'm just gonna wear this. Might need to tighten up a little bit because I'm gonna be around my brother and I don't want him to be like, sister. I'm the oldest. I don't give a shit. But yeah. So I have a lot of respect and, you know, for my brother. So yeah, I didn't know like it was this rumpa. I don't know. I was this scrumdiddlyumptious up here, okay? So yeah, I want to say this is my first time ever wearing this top, but I've had it for a good little minute. So yeah, I'm sitting here now because I need to do my eyelashes, and as y'all can see, like, I'm pretty bald right now when it comes to my lashes. I have not been wearing my lash strips lately. I just want to give them a break. So I've been like saving all my little lashes or whatever, you know, spraying them down in alcohol, making sure they're nice and clean enough to wear them again. I don't know if y'all like to do that or not, but shit, lashes now are $18 for a pack. Damn near $20. So reusing them lashes. And if you don't, I mean, hey, that's on you, babe. But I'm gonna be reusing mine. And so far, so good. My brother's been having a good time since he's been out here. His friend Victor's out here too. Hi, Victor. They're a little bit far out. And yeah, I just want to hang out with my brother, you guys. I miss him so much. Every time he comes out here, I feel like a little bit of Chicago is down here in Atlanta. Like, ugh. My brother is my best friend. Love that for us. Hi, mamas.
Hey, girl.
What you doing? What you doing? Yeah.
I should be at home eating cherries, watching dead people, but instead I'm fucking driving a fucking Conyers.
Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. It is Monday the 18th. And I didn't get home till probably about 3 o'clock this morning. Y'all know, like, I'm a night out anyway, so 4 hours was okay. But now I have to do it like not really like a 10-hour work shift, but like maybe till 5 today. So I gotta do an 8-hour shift today. Then we have a meeting. And yeah, so we get off around like 5 something, and then we have a meeting for an hour. And then I'm gonna try to hang out with my brother again today. Sorry if it's a little bit loud. Y'all know how the car ride is, but yeah. My voice is kind of gone, but we had a good time at the little club or whatever. I usually, y'all know, if you know, you know, I don't like clubs, but that little club was a vibe, most definitely. And of course, I didn't record in there because I didn't want anybody to feel uncomfortable, or I didn't want to get in trouble for it, or I didn't want to take my camera. But it was definitely a good time, you know, see my brother have a good time, and, you know, meeting new people, seeing new faces, good vibes, good energy. So yeah, it was definitely a really good time. I'm not sure what else I'll be doing today. I know for a fact that they're going to be getting like tattoos and stuff today. I'm not sure what time, but he leaves tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to make it up there again tonight. I do want a tattoo. I want a sunflower. If y'all know, y'all know. I want a sunflower. I love sunflowers, and I don't know where I'm gonna get it. Maybe like a shoulder tattoo, or like, you know. But depending on how much they're trying to charge me, whatever, however long I'm gonna be in there, I don't know. But yeah, so we're gonna see what tonight holds. I am going to be at work for 8 hours, like I said, and I don't know how today or this meeting is going to go. So we'll see. Good morning, you guys. It is Wednesday, December 20th, and I know I look crazy right now. Last night, I flat ironed my hair. I washed it, flat ironed it, you know, just to give the wigs a break for a second, and we're going to, like, put in our clip-ins and stuff, but not right now. I have some running around to do. I have a few things that needs to be done today, and this will be like the end of this vlog because y'all, it's been a crazy week, okay? For one, let's just say Creed had kennel cough. He's kind of still coughing, but it's not as bad as it was. And it started at like 4 o'clock in the morning. I heard like a like 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm like, what the fuck? And it woke me up out of my sleep, and I looked in, like, through my hall. I'm like, is anybody in my house? Like, y'all, he had fucking kennel cough. So, you know, I got him some medicine for that. I talked to a vet. I didn't take him to a vet because obviously nobody knows what it is. No vet knows what it is. I just know that all dogs are like getting sick with kennel cough. So yeah, I had got him some medicine from Amazon. It's slowly but surely going away. It's not as loud as it was, but he's still coughing just a little bit. And he's also getting his shot today for kennel cough. And it's crazy because they say even if they do have kennel cough or the kennel cough shot, they say that they'll still end up getting it. So I'm glad that his is already like kind of passing through and he's getting his shot today. Second thing is I need my tire like aligned, because when I was at work and I was on my lunch break, I got off my lunch break and I looked down at my tire and I'm like, because if y'all remember from previous videos, I hit a curb whenever it was raining and it was fogged outside. I didn't have my glasses on, and yeah, going down Bear Parkway, I hit a damn curve, and now my tire is leaning like this. So like the top part, I'll put a picture or something, but like the top part is literally leaning like this, and I'm like, oh shit. But like it's not shaking, it's not rocking, it's not doing nothing crazy. The only thing that's a little weird to me is my steering wheel. Like, you know, like the steering wheel is usually like this, but it's a little bit like this. Yeah, we're gonna go get that done today as well. And I popped a nail off while I was at work. I'm not sticking y'all the bird. 1 second. Can y'all see that? Yeah, I popped a nail off while I was at work trying to get toilet paper. So it popped off, and thank God I had my little glue in my purse. Yeah, I just glued it back on, because who about to be walking around with a broken nail? Not me. No. So yeah, you guys, that's what we're going to be doing today. I'll try to film everything that I can. My brother is no longer here. He went back home on the 19th. Yesterday he went back home. I didn't get to hang out with him the last day that he was here, but we had a really good time at the club. He had so much fun. I love my brother so much. But yeah, y'all, I want to apologize too for like the beginning of the vlog, because I know that it was filmed for my phone. We're gonna make some shit shake. Whatever it is, we're gonna make some shit shake, whether it's with the phone or with this camera. Hi you guys. So I did not vlog everything, was because I had Cree with me, and you know, like I said, he's very active and everything, so I didn't get to vlog. And I was a little bit annoyed after leaving from getting my tire looked at. The thing was, I needed struts for the driver's side because that's where I hit the curb, and they don't have struts on hand. They say it's not on back bar or something like that. I'm gonna have to wait until after Christmas to get fixed. Now my tire is just like this, and I'm just driving on like half of a fucking tire, and it's low-key giving me anxiety because y'all know I be on the go. Like, I just, you know, if I'm not on the go, I'm literally at home. But still, like, that's beside the point. Like, I don't want to drive and have to think about that. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm a little bit annoyed by it. And I guess it is what it is until they can get that part in. I did call around. I called Honda. They were like, they only have the strut but not all the other pieces. And I feel like I only need one fucking piece. I don't know shit about cars for real, but yeah, I feel like I only need one piece. And the place where I took it to get it checked at, they're talking about $1,000 for everything to get it fixed or whatever. I'm cool with paying that, but I don't know what actually needs to be fixed. You see what I'm saying? Like, we're women, and I feel like majority of like the mechanics, they be trying to get over on us, and I don't like that. Even like the strut pieces, like the strut and the rest of the pieces that I need is like $400 and some change. I think it said $480. That's expensive by itself, and not including the fucking labor. Now I'm about to get my nails and my feet done. That's going to be the highlight of my night.
Look at that. What you eating? Oh, chips.
Like, I have my hot and my salt and vinegar on them.
I do that too.
Am I the only one?
No, I do the same exact thing.
With these two?
Like, I'll mix it. Yeah, I don't usually have it like 2 bags like that, but I usually mix it and I eat it. The combination. Yeah, the same exact chips. I always gotta get like a salty and hot.
I want a peanut butter jelly sandwich. It's like I'm on some hot shit, but I'm not really high. You want to say hi to the vlog?
Looking like this.
Okay. Tati says hi, guys.
Yes, I definitely say hi.
Mm.
And I'll be seeing y'all soon. Y'all just won't be seeing me like this.
You're cute, babe. Alright, you guys.
Oh, man.
So, hours later, I got my nails done. Oh, you can kind of see it here. They're like lavender, sparkle. I don't like it. So, I'm gonna go back tomorrow to get a color change. How much is color change usually? How much are...
Where I'm at, I think it's... Because you got... You got the gel polish. I think like 15 or 20, I think.
I'd be alright paying that. Yeah, because
Yeah.
I don't like it. I want it to be green.
20 at the most. Did
Yeah.
you not like it right when you got out the shop? Girl, you should
And I should have said something.
Now
I
you
should have
gotta go
said...
pay money to go get it changed.
Because I was like, oh, I can get used to it type of thing. I didn't think that...
It didn't grow on you?
No, because like I said, it looked... Like you said, it looks silver, right?
Yeah.
Like the more I look at it, it just looks silver. But on the camera, it looks lavender. I don't know. I think I'm going to just go ahead and go back and get a different color.
Yeah.
I'm going to get green like I wanted. But like I didn't feel like going through the colors. I ain't going to hold you. So... I got my nails done. I got my toes done. I got white as always. I think I told y'all that I got my car detailed. Free got his shots. No, you can't have any. I went to go check on my tire. And it cannot be fixed today because I remember I told y'all about I need everything that come with the struts. And they don't have it. So, yeah. So yeah, guys. Now that all that stuff is done, this one little piece keeps sticking up and it's irritating the fuck out of me. But yeah, y'all, have my Desi Lux Beauty clip-ins in. Really nice, really cute. Makes my forehead pop. So I'm going to end this vlog here. And I will see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned. Vlogmas is almost over.